It was an emotional day in court with the victim's family members flying to San Francisco from Portugal and urging the judge to deny the driver's request. The driver's attorney saying his client is remorseful and feels guilty. We learned the victims, Diego and Matilda, were celebrating their wedding anniversary and were headed to the San Francisco Zoo with their two young children before they were killed. They were waiting at the bus stop when 80-year-old Mary Fong Lau crashed into them. Matilda's mom, brother, and Diego's sister spoke to the judge about the pain and trauma they have endured and described Lau's request to reduce the felony charges to misdemeanors as insulting. Lau's attorney asked the judge to consider her clean record and the fact that her husband died in a vehicle crash when she was 25 years old, becoming a widow with 3 children. But the judge denied that request.
He had the power and authority to make the decision. I think his comment was referring to the fact that he could not make the decision because the evidence did not support it. And so, given all of everything he reviewed.
In the courtroom, the victim's family members questioned why Lau didn't hit the brakes or honk as she sped 70 miles an hour in the residential area where she crashed into this family. Lau's attorney said she was headed to her brother's house to take him soup and couldn't explain why the vehicle, quote, took off.
How do you think that reasoning is going to play out in court?
Well, I can't say for what the criminal defense case will be and what their strategy is. I don't think that if I was putting myself in that place, I would never take this case to trial. I don't think a jury is going to respond to an explanation that I don't know what happened, so I killed 4 people.
You just heard from the civil attorney in this case. There are 2 lawsuits against the driver right now pending as the criminal case continues. The next court hearing here is set for February 13th. In San Francisco, Luz Peña, ABC 7 News.